This is what you call a long way down. How deep's it gonna be? Any guesses? You tell me how deep this hole is. Almost there? No, not quite, not quite. Oh, maybe I'm almost there. Told you it's a long way down. Long way down. It's got to be there by now. Anyways, long way. Any guesses? Got to be there soon. How deep is this hole? Come on, you tell me. No camera tricks. One consecutive shot. This reel's gonna be 1.5 minutes long. Coming close. It's gotta be getting close. We're gonna run out of line here pretty soon. We're on Cold Lake, Alberta, if that makes any difference. There it is. You tell me how deep that hole is. Closest one wins a prize. Pin a guess in the comments. Closest one wins a prize. Because I do know exactly how deep it is here. We're gonna let that big old herring sit on the bottom and wait for Mr. Monster to come get it. In the meantime, you tell me how deep that hole is.